Fuzz Pi Guy here. I'm going to show you how to run a simple HTTP server on the Raspberry Pi. So if you want to copy things from the Pi, this isn't one of the ways that you can do it. So the first thing we need to do is make sure you have Python installed. And if so, we just need to go Python space -m capital S simple capital HTTPS ERVER. Then we're going to run this on port 8080. So once you do that, type that in, just hit enter, and we'll go down here, and all we need to do is just open up a browser and type in the IP address of the Pi :8080, and there we have it, showing everything. So now you could CD into another directory if you like, and start it. Then when you bring it up, it'll go right into that. Let me back this up here. It'll go into that directory then. So there you go. Nothing's in there, but we're in it. All right. Thanks for watching.